I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, give me looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be you again, yeah, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Sex. Yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches round this bitch, they all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a stoner. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, I told her stab my neck. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I ain't even trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the, yeah. Real talk, I just pulled up in some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozy. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said, you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. Yeah. Got a bitch Scotty, I got in my way, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood knife, pick up the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street knee. Only one she got hit at the spinning knee. I feel a little rich this week, influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me, I need she needs just a Glock keep. You rolling 60, locked in seats. We rolling that coupe with a bucket seats. Got her that mud like a football clique. I use a drop out of that photo G. Call her the plug and he know what I need. To stay underneath so we hardly speak. Yeah, from in New York, cash money. Yeah, ain't the star man, but I'm stunning. Yeah, one of these guys wanna love me. Yeah, that wife, he didn't know I be loving. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bitch got an X stain on her jeans. I know she fuck her with thugger. Yeah, yeah. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas. Yeah.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you ain't